Hi guys, I hope you are all staying healthy. It's Molly again. Speaking of our new arrival product, I will have to introduce our Comfort Fresh Air HRV to you. Why? Let's check what makes it so outstanding in the market. This unit meets Energy Class A. It's CE UKCA approved. We also call it Cabinet Unit, as in Europe our customers prefer to have HRV be installed in cabinet. Well, the airflow is available from 250 cubic meters per hour to 500 cubic meters per hour. And it could be flexibly installed at left side or right side, which can be set wire controlled. Isn't it very thoughtful? I suppose you may ask about the efficiency, right? Well, this unit is built in high-performance closed-flow heat exchanger, which could achieve energy 95%. It definitely is a green option to save more energy for your house. Would you like to know more? Send us a message now.